How to log in JetBlue Credit Card. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is open your preferred web browser. Then in search address bar, simply type down Login JetBlue Credit Card and hit enter. Once you do so, you will get to see the list of options available on your screen. Now, from there, tap on the JetBlue credit cards option available there. I do not have any JetBlue credit card and neither I have the JetBlue account. So all you have to do is scroll down and simply choose one card that you are using or simply one that you want to log in with. So let me just tap on this one. And if you do not have any login credentials for the JetBlue credit card, then you'll have to apply for the new one. So make sure to apply for the new one if you do not have one. You will get to see apply option available there or activate option available there. Simply enter your card informations and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.